In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Profile Desktop Shortcut on Google Chrome. If you use different Chrome profiles for work, personal browsing, or shared family use, having a one-click desktop shortcut for each profile can save time and keep things organized. Let's walk through it together, nice and easy. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Make sure you're on the main browser window, not in incognito mode. At the top right corner, you'll see a small circle with your photo or your initials. That's the Profile menu. Click it to open the Profile panel. From here, choose the profile you want a shortcut for. If you already have multiple profiles, you'll see them listed. Click the one you want to use. This ensures the settings you change apply to the correct profile. Now, we'll customize that profile and create the shortcut. Look for the pencil icon next to the profile's name in the panel and click it. This opens the customization screen where you can adjust things like the name, theme color, and avatar. Giving profiles distinct names and colors can make them easier to spot later. Scroll all the way to the bottom of the customization settings. You're looking for the option labeled Create Desktop Shortcut. When you find it, toggle the switch to the on position. That's it. Chrome will instantly create a desktop icon linked directly to this profile. Minimize or close the settings so you can see your desktop. You should now find a new shortcut with your profile's name and icon. Double-clicking it will launch Chrome directly into that profile, with its own bookmarks, extensions, history, and saved passwords completely separate from your other profiles. If you want it even closer at hand, you can pin it to your taskbar or dock after you open it. A few quick tips. If you don't see the Create Desktop Shortcut option, make sure Chrome is up to date and that you're not in guest mode. On some work or school devices, administrators may hide or restrict profile shortcuts. Also, consider renaming your profiles with clear labels like work, personal, or school so the desktop icons are unmistakable. If you ever change your mind, you can return to the same customization screen and toggle the shortcut off, and that's the whole process. Open Chrome, pick your profile, customize it, toggle, create desktop shortcut, and then launch from your desktop anytime. Thanks for watching, and enjoy quicker, cleaner switching between your Chrome profiles.